natural makeup tutorial using all of the Summer Fridays makeup products that they've launched so far. I'm using the tint, the blushes, the cream blush, and the brand new lip oil. So stay tuned if you want to see how I create this look. I'm going to be using 3 products in this makeup tutorial: skin tint, the cheek and lipstick, and the brand new Dream lip oil. So I've been using this skin tint for maybe like 6 months now. It's almost gone. I've used it so much. I have to get another shade in it. I need a little bit lighter one for right now in the winter. But I absolutely love this. This is my go-to kind of everyday makeup. It feels like nothing, but it just makes you look even and hydrated and glowy. I sometimes mix this with foundation as well if I want a little more coverage. It's really versatile that way. You'll see how I apply this on the skin. And then the cream sticks, I've used these again since they've launched. I feel like they launched in spring of last year, but my favorite shade is this Heat Wave one, the red one, because is this Heat Wave or Pink Skies? Yeah, this is Heat Wave. This red one, because it makes you look like you kind of had a sunburn, a little bit of sun-kissed situation on the face. It's just my favorite. I feel like everyone needs this and you'll be blown away by it. And then and I will use this in my tutorial today. And then the brand new lip oils, which is exciting. I actually haven't reviewed these yet, so I have some thoughts on them. I got 2 shades because I sold out of the other ones. I have the Blush Dreams and the Pink Cloud. So I applied both today for my lip look, but my thoughts on these: beautiful packaging, kind of has like a light nude. It's all matte, which feels really nice. Short, kind of wide container. Applicator is a doe foot applicator, and the formula has no scent or smell to it, which I actually really love in lip products, because sometimes when they have a scent and taste to them almost, sometimes you get sick of it, and then you're also like, is this really good for me? Ingesting this, because we always ingest our lip products, even if we try not to. So that is really nice. This color is perfect for the Blush Dreams. Color is perfect. It matches like my lip color, but a little darker. So it's kind of like your lip color, but deeper. Like the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk shade, similar to that kind of situation. So I feel like so many people could wear this color. And then this pink, I didn't know if this was going to be super pigmented or blendy, but it actually is very blendy. It's a very bright looking pink, but when applied, it's quite sheer, but has a really nice hint of pink to it, depending on your natural lip color. But it's a beautiful pink. This one I'll be probably wearing like all spring. I'm going to start my tutorial using all of the Summer Fridays makeup products that they've launched in my makeup routine, which is honestly, I use all of them. First thing is obviously their skin tint. You can use this product a lot. I think I go through phases. It's definitely more of like a spring summer product because it's light look and feel on the skin, but sometimes you just don't want to wear much makeup on your face, so it's great for those days. Now the color I got is 4, and that one is like perfect for me in the summer, but it's a little dark for my skin right now if I don't put self tanner on, so I'm mixing it. I have to order another shade, like 2.5 or 3 I think, but I actually just got something from them and there was a sample in there of 3, so I'm mixing 3 and 4 make this look work. So I'm just gonna mix them together. What you also can do, which I do sometimes, is mix this with a foundation just to add a little more coverage, but not like a full foundation type look. So I'm just using a foundation brush. This one's from Rare Beauty. I don't add tons of foundation or face makeup as much because I really want my skin to glow and look like skin and not be cakey or anything like that. But I also really like the look of my makeup done, so there's a fine line. I just use like a small amount. But when I go in with concealer, that's when most of the coverage comes into play. This is more just for a general evenness washing and a little bit of glow down my neck. So that is my base. Looks nice and natural and glowy. So I did my concealer blending. We'll go in with my blush. I'm going to do a bit of bronze and contour too, but I want to show you guys the blush situation. So I'm going to mix 2. 2 I like to mix is Pink Skies and Heat Wave of the cream blushes. I'm going to apply right on the cheek. apply a bit on my hand as well to apply to other areas in like a subtle way. To add a little bit of Heat Wave, which is like my favorite shade, I would say, because it makes you kind of gives you that sunburn kind of glow. So I'm going to use a bit of a brush and a blender. This one is the blush brush from Rare Beauty, I think meant to use with their liquid blushes, but I really like this blush brush. I find it really helps get your blush in place but doesn't move. It's gentle enough it doesn't move your other makeup around. So I just do circles, kind of upward circles up to my hairline, and we want it going up and kind of right underneath the eye. I don't really like a gap in color. Kind of usually always end up adding more. I just can't help myself. A little bit I had on my hand and bottom part, the end, lightly put on the beauty blender and just add the tiniest little bit on my nose, chin, forehead. Now I'm on the lip step, so I did just a little bit of like bronze eye, mascara, a little bit of highlight, usual steps I do. So I'm going to do the lip for you guys and show you the new lip oils from Summer Fridays. As always, we do lip liner. I'm using the Buxom Hush Hush Henna lip liner today. If you watched my tutorials before, you know I have a certain routine I usually use with my lip. Kind of feel like playing with it a little bit today. Little overlining here, straight on the edges, fill in the corners a little bit. I'm gonna do a line right down the middle today. Same thing, a little overlining on top and then straight down the sides. Maybe I'll fill a little in the middle today and go for like the pillowy type lip look. This brush has, or this lip liner has like a little blending brush on the end, which is kind of nice. Just to soften those lip lines. So this one's good for like lip shaping. I'm going to start with the Blush Dreams lip oil. So kind of my first layer. It matches kind of that lip liner and my lip color pretty good. It's just a bit deeper. And I want to add like this little pop that look really pillowy and gorgeous. Pink Cloud. So we're going to add this in the middle. Might be a little hard to see on camera, the difference between the colors, but in person you can definitely see it a little more. But it definitely is a subtle kind of pink in color, but I really like this one because it is subtle. Like, it's not going to look this crazy pink on you, it's going to look natural. But I really like how these lip oils look and feel on the lips. Soft hydrating property to them. They give gloss to the lip, but not in a tacky way, maybe because it's a lip oil technically. It just kind of adds a bit of gloss, sheen, hydration to the lip. And I love how lip glosses make your lips look full, so these obviously do because they hit the light so nicely.